A sneeze rockets out of your nose at a staggering 100 miles per hour, unleashing microscopic storms in an instant, tiny tornadoes of droplets and germs swirling through the air. This rapid-fire biological blitzkrieg isn't just a quirky body quirk, it's a high-speed collision of physics and biology. With each achoo, you're essentially launching an invisible projectile, a microburst that can travel up to 27 feet, reaching unsuspecting targets in mere seconds. This powerful expulsion is your body's reflexive defense mechanism, a dramatic response to clear irritants from the nose, yet it transforms you into a temporary weather system, where each sneeze is a spontaneous storm front with the potential to impact your surroundings far more than you might think. So next time you feel that tickle, remember the incredible force you're about to unleash, connecting you to a chain reaction of nature's own atmospheric artistry.